Okay, this is section 8.2, and we've talked a little bit previously about the various things that have to be, and you can scroll through the PowerPoints and see the details of what all has to be met and so forth. But for the most part, we want to analyze these and perform some kind of test there. A certain drug is used to treat asthma. In a clinical trial of a drug, 19 of 273 subjects experienced headaches based on data from the manufacturer. The accompanying calculator display shows results from a test of the claim that less than 10% of treated subjects experience headaches. Use the normal distribution as an approximation for the binomial and assume a 0.01 significance level to complete these parts. Okay, it's less than. That immediately tells us that it is left tail. What is the test statistic? The test statistic is the z-value that is found right here. So that would be negative 1.67. A z-test, the test statistic would be a z. What is the p-value? Well, what does it say the p-value is? Don't confuse it with p-hat. The p-value, they want 4 decimal places, so that's 0.0470. That right there. Okay, decide what your null hypothesis should be. Well, when it is put like this, that is the null, that is the what you're testing is less than. What did we say about null? Null always needs to be equal. Decide whether to reject the null hypothesis. Okay, well, what was our significance level? It was 0.01, and this is your p. If p is less than alpha, the null goes, you have to reject the null. So if p is less than alpha, but in our situation, p is more than alpha, so we will fail to reject because the p-value is greater than the significance level. Okay, what is the final conclusion? If you fail to reject, there is not sufficient evidence to warrant the rejection or support the claim. Okay, what was your original claim? The test the claim that it's less than. So where it's less than, you would say there is not sufficient evidence to support the claim.